In this video, let us understand the definitions of AI, ML, DL, and generative AI with practical examples. Artificial intelligence is a broad field that focuses on building systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding speech, making decisions, and adapting to new information. In our everyday lives, AI appears in many familiar forms. For example, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can understand what we say, answer our questions, and control our smart devices. In the financial sector, fraud detection systems uses AI to identify suspicious activities and prevent fraudulent transactions, protecting both banks and customers. And in the transportation, traffic navigation apps such as Google Maps use AI to analyze real-time traffic data and dynamically suggest the fastest routes to your destination. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions without the need for explicitly coding every possible rule. One everyday example is email spam filters. These systems learn from large set of labeled messages, identifying which ones are spam and which are legitimate, so they can automatically filter your inbox. Another example is product recommendation systems used by platforms like Amazon and Netflix, which analyze your browsing and purchase history to suggest relevant products or shows. In finance, credit scoring uses machine learning models to evaluate loan eligibility by examining your financial history and identifying risk pattern. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks, often called deep neural networks, to process and learn from massive amounts of data. These networks automatically discover complex patterns, making them ideal for highly sophisticated tasks. For example, facial recognition on smartphones uses deep learning to analyze and match unique facial features, allowing secure device unlocking. In the automotive world, self-driving cars rely on deep learning for perception tasks, identifying pedestrians, reading traffic signs, and detecting lane boundaries to navigate safely. In healthcare, medical image diagnosis uses deep learning to detect tumors or abnormalities in MRI and CT scan, often achieving accuracy levels comparable to experienced radiologists. Generative AI is a branch of deep learning focused on creating new content. These models learn patterns from massive datasets, then generate entirely new data, including text, images, audio, and even video that resembles what they have learned. For example, ChatGPT can produce human-like text responses, answering questions, writing articles, or drafting scripts. DALL and Midjourney can create realistic images from simple text prompts, turning ideas into visuals. In the music world, AI music generation can compose original songs in various styles. And in programming, tools like GitHub Copilot can assist developers by creating code snippets, suggesting completions, and even writing entire function.